Enabling two-factor authentication on your Kayak account adds an extra layer of security to protect your personal information. Follow these steps to set it up. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Kayak website or open the app and log into your account using your username and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon or name in the top corner of the screen. Step 3. Find security settings. In the account settings menu, look for section labeled Security or Privacy. Click on this section to access security options. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Within the security settings, locate the option for two-factor authentication. Toggle the switch or click the button to enable it. You may be prompted to enter your phone number or email for verification. Step 5. Complete verification. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the verification process. This may involve receiving a code via SMS or email that you will need to enter to finalize the setup. Once you have completed these steps, two-factor authentication will be active on your Kayak account, providing enhanced security for your personal information.